Now we can observe here we have three things are available: logical operators. Tell me now how many things are available? Three things are available. One is called as what is this? And second is called as or, third is called as not. That is showing error. I did convert it to the markdown. Previously it was in the code cell. Now it is available in the markdown, it is working. Now, and also the spelling is and okay. Now let us go and try to write here. A couple of things we'll try to do it. Let us say we are writing 2 greater than 5. Any condition you can write down the line, but we are writing a very simple condition. It is false or true? It's false. And we are writing here 1 greater than 2. Both are false. Our result also should be false. And we are writing here, let's say one more scenario, 2 less than 5 and 1 less than 2. Both are what? True. Now it's saying as what? True. Now we are saying as 2 less than 5 and we are saying as 1 greater than 2. What is this? 1 is true, 1 is false. Now we are saying as, let us say, 2 greater than 5 and we are writing here 1 less than 2. Now again it is what? False. These are the 4 possible cases what we have. Sorry. These are the 4 possible cases what we have, right? Now let us go and try to see the next one that is called as second one. What is this? Or R. Now tell me what are the conditions? 2 greater than 5. I would like to experiment with the same thing. Or R. Then we are saying as 2 greater than 1. Is it true or not? Both. Both are true. Answer is true. If I say 2 greater than 5 or let us say 2 less than 1. Now what is this? False. Now 2 less than 5 or next what? 2 greater than 1. Now also it is saying as now also says what? Now true. Okay, next let us go for next one. 2 greater than 5.
First one.
Or what is that?
No.
Yeah.
No, the first one, 2 greater than 5 is a false, right? But the or condition is okay.
What is that?
The first one, 2 greater than 5 or 2 greater than 1. So the second or condition is okay, but the first 2 greater than 5 is false, right?
False or true, right? It is.
Right.
R means what? Any one thing is true, answer is true. It's a OR.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah. Now 2 greater than 5 and one more thing what we missed? 2 less than 1, I think, right? This is what is this? False condition. This is what? This is also false condition. Both are false conditions. Then we are writing here overall is what? It is a false. Something like that we are able to generate it. You can go and you can try with these things. Let us move on to the next one, third one, about what is this? Not. For example, we are writing here 1 less than 2. Actual answer is what? 2. Not of 1 less than 2, you are writing it. What is the answer? It's turning into false. If I write, let's say 2 greater than 1, it is true. If I say not of 2 greater than 1, what is this? It is false. These are the 3 operators and are not what we have it. Got it? Okay, that's cool. Let us go and try to see this one. Then we'll go for next set of operators, which is known as NumPy logical operators. Please look into it.